In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to Shopify. We'll take the embed code from Calendly and place it on a new Shopify page so customers can book time without leaving your store. Start in your Calendly account. Open the scheduling area where your event types live. Pick the meeting type you want to show on your site, then open its options menu by clicking the three dots next to it. From that menu, choose Add to Website. Calendly gives you a few display choices. Select Inline Embed so the scheduler appears directly within your page content, keeping visitors on your site. Click Continue to generate the snippet. Now click Copy Code. This copies the embed to your clipboard. You don't need to edit this code right now. It includes everything Calendly needs to render your scheduler. Next, head to your Shopify admin. From the home dashboard, go to Online Store, then Open Pages. We'll create a dedicated page to host the embed, which helps with clarity and navigation. Click Add Page. In the title field, type a clear, customer-friendly name such as Schedule an Appointment or Book a Call. Your title becomes the page heading, so keep it simple and descriptive. In the content editor, switch to the HTML view. Look for the Show HTML button, the one that toggles the editor to code mode. This is important because pasting the embed into the visual editor can strip or alter code. With the HTML view open, paste the Calendly code you copied a moment ago into the content area. Leave any existing formatting out. The embed works best on a clean page without extra text above it. When you're done, click Save. That's it. The page now contains your Calendly inline scheduler. Visitors can pick a date and time, complete the booking flow, and you'll see appointments appear in Calendly as usual. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If your theme adds wide margins, the embed will still resize responsively, but keeping the page layout simple provides the best experience. If you later want to change colors or size, you can return to Calendly's Add to Website options and regenerate the snippet with different settings, then replace the code on this same page. And if you manage multiple event types, repeat the same process for each one you intend to publish. You've successfully embedded Calendly into Shopify using an inline embed on a new page, all without installing extra apps. Save your changes and you're ready to let customers book directly from your store.